Experience the incredible power of modern industrial bread production today. Expert precision at the control panel ensures consistent quality output.
We select only the highest quality grains for our recipes.
Massive silos stand ready to feed our high-speed production line. Advanced pneumatic systems transport our fresh ingredients with total care. Pure white flour falls perfectly into our massive mixing bowls. Our master bakers supervise every critical stage of the mix. 10 giant mixers work together to create the perfect dough. Real-time data monitoring guarantees our dough remains at peak quality. Watch the powerful hooks develop the strength of our dough. Precise temperature checks are vital for the perfect bread rise.
Active fermentation creates the wonderful airy texture we all love.
Thousands of dough balls move smoothly through our sterile facility. Automated scoring ensures each loaf expands beautifully in the oven. Gluten quality testing ensures the best structure for every batch. The intense heat of our tunnel oven seals in flavor. Golden crusts form quickly under our carefully controlled heat settings. Observation is key to maintaining our world-class baking standards. Our spiral cooling system brings loaves to the ideal temperature. High-speed automated blades create the perfect uniform bread slices.
Superior crumb structure is the hallmark of our baking excellence.
Our master bakers take immense pride in every single loaf. Automated packaging seals in freshness with lightning-fast efficiency. Laser-coded tracking ensures total transparency for every batch produced. High-speed sorting systems move our products toward the finish line. Our logistics team coordinates every detail with absolute precision. Smart forklifts handle our heavy lifting with incredible robotic accuracy. We direct a massive fleet to ensure worldwide bread delivery. Seamless collaboration between departments ensures our factory's great success. Our facility stands as a beacon of modern food technology. Rigorous scientific testing guarantees the purity of our ingredients. Maintaining a sterile environment is our top priority every day. Specialized ingredients are added to create our unique flavor profiles. We start at the source with the finest organic wheat.
From farm to table, we oversee every step of production.
Advanced sensors detect and remove any imperfection instantly. Powerful machinery develops the perfect texture for our signature dough. Artisanal techniques are preserved within our modern industrial process.
Data-driven baking results in the most consistent bread quality.
The final result is a masterpiece of taste and nutrition. Robotic precision stacks our fresh bread for fast shipping.
Real-time logistics tracking keeps our delivery fleet moving smoothly.
Every truck carries fresh flavor directly to your local store.
We share the joy of fresh baking with every employee.
Our facility harnesses the sun to power sustainable baking practices. A gentle mist ensures the perfect crispy crust every time. Regular maintenance checks ensure our systems never miss a beat. Automated labeling prepares our bread for its journey to you.
The aroma of fresh bread is our favorite part of the day.
Our factory glows with innovation even during the late hours. Peak efficiency means we deliver the freshest bread every morning. Gently fold the edges inward.
Like this?
We pass down artisanal skills to the next generation of bakers. Controlled humidity provides the ideal environment for rising dough.
Our team starts early to guarantee freshness in every store.
Advanced airlocks maintain the highest levels of food safety. Sharp tools are essential for the most precise bread slicing. Our massive logistics hub connects us to the whole country. Handcrafted loaves are finished in our traditional stone ovens.
We use cutting-edge technology to optimize every single batch.
Listen to the music of a perfectly baked cooling crust.
Crystal clear water is filtered for the purest dough quality.
Smart navigation systems guide our drivers on the fastest routes. Random automated sampling ensures every loaf meets our high standards. Maya prepares for the next round of rigorous chemical analysis. Powerful ventilation keeps our factory air fresh and perfectly clean. A rich blend of seeds adds crunch and vital nutrition. Our facility never truly sleeps, monitoring quality through the night. Complex underground systems power our massive high-speed production lines. We test for consistent toasting to ensure the perfect bite. Our logistics network spans across every challenging terrain and climate. The hard work of our bakers is in every slice.
Let's pull up the shipping data. Bring it up now. Data analytics help us understand what our customers love most.
Top chefs trust our bread for their finest gourmet creations. Every single loaf is tracked from the oven to shelf.
Sustainability is woven into our water recycling and indoor gardens. Recognition for excellence drives us to keep improving our bakes.
Respecting the materials is key to our traditional fermentation process. An aerial view reveals our massive commitment to renewable energy. Our welcoming entrance reflects the purity of our natural ingredients. Elena oversees the daily ballet of our massive shipping operations. Scientific testing ensures our flour density is always perfect.
We explore unique grains to bring you incredible global flavors.
Precision maintenance keeps our machinery running at peak performance. Healthy employees are the heart of our vibrant factory culture. Tradition meets innovation in every secret recipe we develop. Our fresh bread reaches every corner of the busy city.
Sharing our safety standards leads the industry toward excellence. Sustainable packaging protects your bread and our precious planet.
Even on rainy days, production never stops for excellence. Strong partnerships bring our quality bread to your table. Total cleanliness is maintained around the clock for safety. Every great loaf starts with a single, humble wheat sprout. Teamwork and dedication drive our success every single day. Our brand stands for quality you can always trust completely. Another successful day ends as the sun sets peacefully. Final checks ensure every shipment is delivered on time.
All clear. Safe travels. Dedication follows us home after a long, productive shift.
The city sleeps while we prepare for tomorrow's bake. Nothing beats the warmth of fresh bread and butter. Leading the future of food production with modern technology.